yesterday I wasn't able to continue yeah, there's a lot of things that I didn't able to continue. I didn't able to do. Oh wow, look at that. Birds that with color yellow. You know what? Yeah, like yes, I said yesterday, I have a lot of things that I didn't able to do because we went to move. My friends went to move to this new place, coming from Asfield, and now they are living here. Everything how I am now, I think is influenced by the Americans, by the Hollywood movies and things like that. Because when I was young, I keep watching on TVs and things like that. Eh, 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 eh. I have been waiting here like 30 minutes maybe. Ejan is still not opening the door. Maybe he is taking a shower. And my phone, I think my phone needs to be changed already because I just charged it. I just took it from the charger this morning, and now it's low bat, no power anymore. And it's iPhone 5s. I have this for 4 years already. A lot of scratches. You see, it pulls down a lot of times, so many times. And you know, I went to the Apple store. And now it's open. I went to the Apple store to change this, and they said they will pay for this for just $170. And I'm going to change with the new one, and the new one is around $600. So that is how it's changed. It's like a trade-in of a mobile phone. So this is the new house of John and our friends. This is nice like this. With the second floor. Tulog pa si Abby. This is the kitchen, huh? It looks nice. And they have this. Look at the toilet. They put the washing machine there. And there is one small cockroach on top. It's outside. And this is the shower. And the same like before, we're going to meet Ronald in the train station on that side. And look at this Ranger, Ford Ranger, nice color, red. Beautiful. So yesterday morning I had my breakfast and lunch in David's Kitchen, and during the dinner we met our friends and we had dinner here in David's Kitchen. And today breakfast we're going to be with these friends and going to eat here again, but it's closed. Sarado yun. Closed. So we're going to find another restaurant, maybe Italian restaurant or Asian restaurant. And it's very cold. It feels like all the winds are passing in this way.
3 days ng Lindol, pumunta si Duterte, helicopter, nagbigay ng
So inside there is GoPro, Apple, and Lemester. What is Lemester? So the result of my IELTS arrived. So we tried to go to the Vodafone to apply for a prepaid mobile phone so that we can get the free iPhone, telephone. But our visa is valid only for 1 year. So now we are spending already like 5 months. So we are not qualified to get the phone. So we need to buy new telephone. Like what I've mentioned to you before, my telephone is already broken. It's getting battery low very quick, like maybe for 2 hours use its battery is losing already. So yeah, I really need to buy a new phone. The problem is that and the telephone here is around 600. So maybe I will wait until I got enough money to buy a new phone. And now these guys are buying a coffee in here, 7-Eleven. Yeah.
Baka nasa ilalim ng salawal niya yung tungko na yan. Natago yan.
So the same as always, they are making fun of me. No problem. Look at the crowds here. Too much people. We are right now here in Apple store here in George Street. You see a lot of Apple tree and Apple products and Apple everything.
Ano sabi?
Pwede.
International basta may ano, Mastercard.
79. May app ka? Currency exchange. Di ba may app ka sa phone?
Meron. 1079.
Wala na sa phone.
We are now here in the Rebel shop. They are selling sports sports materials like shoes and clothes. Look at this. The price of this Nike is $129.99. And we are going to Ashfield.
Sakayan yan. Ano ba yan?
Maglalakad na lang dyan.
And we are now in Ashfield. Getting down.
Dami. Cellphone niya na ewan. Oo. Oo muna.
Oh, oh.
Pinakalaman niya namin yung paglalakad.
Sinabi mo may bully.
And we are here in the one of the busy Wishfield food court. This is one of the big shopping mall that I have ever been here in Sydney area. And we are waiting for the guys. They are going to bring up KFC.
Medyo. If I am going to buy a new shoes, not this one, not this one, not this. I don't know which one. All of those are good. Maybe all of them. Or maybe this. This is very affordable. Right now we are heading to the Kmart, and this place is one of the biggest, I would say, big shopping mall here in the suburbs of Sydney. It's here in Parramatta. And yeah, they have everything, all the shopping, all the big brand of department store and supermarket are here. Placemat yan. And we are in Kmart. And what I am wearing came from Kmart. So I have a $20 that is cut by the zipper of this wallet, and then so I cannot use it to buy in the grocery because my friend tried to tried to use it to pay for the grocery, but the sales lady didn't accept because it's broken. So I found this change machine here. It's a Commonwealth Bank change machine. I put inside the broken $20 and I changed it with the new one, and now I have it. And now we are at the Target department store. This is the favorite department store of these guys.
So paano ilagay ang tubig?
So
So what?
put the water here until
Okay.
this
Until this what?
this mark.
So where's the mark?
Put the coffee here,
Yep.
coffee powder.
Okay.
Lock it.
Lock it.
And
Just
put
like
in the
a
burner.
locksmith.
Put in the burner. It's
Then?
ready. The coffee will go up because of the heat.
Now what about this hole? What's the purpose for this?
Ito yung sa French.
I don't know.
How are you? Are you okay? Everything is okay? Ciao, mate.
Nagluto si Abia.
I don't understand why I look different in the mirror.
Cheers, mate.
So this is going to be the pip coffee that we had today. So this house is going to be a Filipino house. Full of Filipino later. And today we are going to drink this.
Abi, inubos mo yung asin? Yung asin?
Wala namang asin.
This
Ginamit pantimpla.
Powder.
and this.
May konti kanina, siguro parang mga kalahati ng tablespoon.
Johnny, happy birthday, Johnny!
Johnny, boy!
Ano na ito na, prayer tayo sa nikoy. SFC ka pa naman, ikaw mag-prayer na, hindi ka mag-delete.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
Hindi pa, ilaw pa?
to you.
Ilaw pa? Oo.